Hi, my name's Will Paterson. I run a website called edplace.com, and just here to tell you a little bit about the work we've been doing with TechnoScore. We originally found TechnoScore a couple of years ago when we had some trouble on the site that we were running, and we suddenly didn't have any development support. So it's quite a stressful time, and through a recommendation I found these guys, and they rolled up their sleeves and got stuck into working on the site, and they did a great job, and that just gave me more confidence to give them work, and that basically developed into a full dedicated relationship with them, where we have a team of developers who work on the site and really are just an extension of our team based in the UK, but their team based here in India, in Delhi. And they've done a fantastic job delivering the product, improving the product, and we really wouldn't hesitate to recommend them, and we ourselves are ramping up as we ramp up our development, we're taking on more resources with them, and yeah, would definitely continue to recommend them.